Hi Krishna, how are you?
Yeah, fine. Fine, Mohit. Yeah, what about you?
I am also good. Thank you for joining on time, Krishna.
Yeah,
Okay, so Krishna, in this interview, we can start with HTML, CSS first, then
okay,
we
sure.
will move to the JavaScript and then React part.
Yeah, yeah, sure.
Start with the introduction. What's your current experience? How much do you have any experience? What's your education background? What you
Okay,
did
sure.
like
Yeah.
this, please?
Oh, okay. Yeah. Currently, I have 1 year, 10 months of experience as a front-end
Mm-hmm,
working on React and JavaScript. First
mm-hmm,
element Redux I'm using. So I did
mm-hmm,
my BCom computer applications. Through
mm-hmm,
college, I placed. So I
mm-hmm,
joined initially as a intern. So
mm-hmm,
now I was a junior developer, junior front-end developer. I trained as a front-end and React and in company itself. So they
mm-hmm,
trained on me. Yeah. Now working on a project called Australian project, that is e-commerce project. So client is eBay. I mean Kmart.
mm-hmm,
So
mm-hmm.
yeah, my roles and responsibilities include like of integrating APIs and building responsive components, so on. Yeah,
Okay.
that is basic introduction about me.
Any framework and library you are using for CSS?
Tailwind. I mostly used Tailwind.
Okay, Tailwind. You have a knowledge in Tailwind.
Yeah.
Okay, what about the simple CSS? Do you have any knowledge? Like,
Oh yeah.
mm,
Basic knowledge I have and simple CSS. For interview purpose, I have some knowledge on
mhm.
CSS.
Yes, that's good. And which React version you are using in current project?
17.
Okay, 17. You are in 17. And
Mhm.
what's about the current version? Do you have any knowledge?
Yeah, React 19, I think they introduced concurrent rendering and server side rendering, some features and some hooks has been introduced, I think, in React
Yes,
19.
yes,
Uh,
multiple new hooks are also introduced in React 19.
uh,
Okay, that's good. So start with HTML and CSS first.
yeah.
The first question is, what's the difference between section, article, and div in semantic HTML?
Section and article are semantic tags. A div is not a semantic tag, so it is a
Mm-hmm,
block element. The difference is like section and article used for SEO purpose mostly.
mm-hmm,
So while building the components,
mm-hmm.
yeah, and a div is for like bundling the all elements together. So that
Yeah,
is the basic difference between
yeah.
them, I think, as
That's a
SEO.
trick. That's a tricky question. Actually, I told is section, article, and div in semantic HTML. You aware about div is not in semantic HTML. Section and article is semantic
Yeah,
HTML.
that's what I told. A div is
Mm-hmm,
not a semantic element. The
mm-hmm,
section and article and figure, these are the semantic elements. These
mm-hmm.
both are used for SEO purpose.
Yes, correct. What are the reflow and repaint in browser?
Reflow and repaint.
Just try out. What is it? It's a basic thing in
Okay.
browser. Whenever you use CSS, it's a basic thing. Reflow, repaint. What about the meaning? Repaint. Just think about it. Repaint means like painting. Repaint.
Okay, that
Anything?
what is fine, but that definition I'm not getting. Like I'm hearing that this question is first time.
Actually, reflow means recalculate of element position and size. Correct? And repaint means redraw of element style,
Colors,
like
style.
color,
Okay,
like
colors.
color.
Okay, okay, okay,
Hmm.
okay, okay.
That's thing. Okay, can you share your screen? So I have one option-based question. So
Yeah,
I
sure.
want to ask. Yes, is it visible? Open any editor, like, and okay, that's good. Okay, I'm asking. Okay, just give me 1 second. I
Yeah,
just
sure.
copy.
Yeah, sure.
Okay. I pasted on chat. Can you check the chat? What's the output? If you want,
Output.
you can copy it and paste it on your editor. Yeah, what's the output? Generally, what do you
Okay.
think? Can you increase the
As per.
size? Can you increase the size of
Fine.
yeah, one more, but that's fine.
Yeah, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, Basically, as per hierarchy,
Mm-hmm.
the ID is first priority.
Mm-hmm.
Uh,
Okay.
as ID in the sense the option will be red, I think.
Why? Because of ID.
Yeah, as per hierarchy, ID is first inline CSS, then
Mm-hmm.
ID, then class. I think, yeah, this is the hierarchy.
Yes, hierarchy is correct. So
Yeah,
output is final red.
yeah, red one, this one.
Yes, that's correct. That's correct.
Okay.
Okay. The next question is, what are the use of meta character set? You heard about it? HTML.
Yeah, yeah.
What is
Meta
it?
tags. Basically, it will contain no metadata about the HTML document. Example:
Mm-hmm.
character set, UTF-18 character set, uh, and uh, document viewport, and all. It will contain all these attributes and elements.
What is it? UTF-8? You told.
It is a character set which defines what we're writing the characters. So that will
Mm-hmm.
define that character. UTF-8 in the sense that character. I think that is the definition. I think.
Yes,
Am I right?
that encoding characters. That they understand in the characters. Whatever the we write in English,
Yeah.
they used to.
Yes. Yes. Okay. That is
Yeah.
correct, right? Definition is
Yes,
correct, right?
that's
Yeah.
definition is correct. What's the difference between local storage, session storage, and cookies?
Okay. The three are web APIs. So
Mm-hmm.
it will store in not call stack. It will store in web APIs. See,
Mm-hmm.
local storage is basically storage till 5 MB,
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
it will it won't expire even after closing a tab. For session storage will expire after closing the tab itself, and cookies will send the some data to as a request to the as a backend server. I think cookies. Yeah, this is the
Yes.
difference. Correct, right?
Yes, correct. So which one is more secure? Any idea?
Oh, secure in the sense.
Uh,
Oh,
if if
session.
we if we use local storage, you can just right click and inspect something, so
Yeah,
you can easily to check the local storage things. That's
it's
that is the term. If it is if you use username and password in local storage,
okay.
so anyone can get that password to local
Exactly.
storage.
Exactly.
Mm,
That's what. It's better to use
mhm.
session storage, I think. And
Cookies.
cookies also, I think. Yeah, but yeah, cookies. I think. Yeah, yeah. Cookies is better, but I didn't use. I use it for
Mhm.
session and local. I think
Okay,
session.
okay. You use both in your e-commerce project.
Yeah, as
Okay.
per senior developers, say I
Mhm.
use it. Yeah,
Okay,
the
they are asking to use it.
yeah.
So any difference? Which type of condition you are use local storage? Which condition you are using session storage?
Conditions like set item and all, right?
Mhm, mhm, mhm.
Yeah, for password for password with the password login details and
Mhm.
authorization purpose also I use it that one.
Okay, got it.
Yeah.
Okay, next question is why is Z-index? What is Z-index and why is it used?
Oh, a jet index. Actually, so it it will work for position relative and absolute and static.
Hmm.
So it is used for uh, hide the some element from the UI.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's something like overlay between something.
Overlay. Yes, yes,
Okay.
exactly.
And what's the difference between Fluxbox and Grid?
Uh, both are useful for layout design. That this is for single layout design. That is for multi-layer design. Yeah.
Yeah.
Basically the flexbox will use for single layout design. So it will display the elements in cross axis and main axis. If you want to display the elements in all across all sizes at once, so we'll use grid layout. It is multi-layer design.
Okay.
Yeah.
So which one is single layer? Yours, which one is 2D? You said na
2D,
2D.
2D is a grid. 2D is the single one is one layer design is this one flex box. So that is 2D design. Grid
Mm-hmm.
multi-layer. Yeah, we can use multiple elements. We can position the all elements at once. But in
Hmm.
display flex, we can we can align the elements cross axis or x axis and all. But that one we can access the all elements at once in
Hmm.
position some position.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, that's fine for HTML, CSS. We can move
Okay.
to the JavaScript part.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the difference between let, where, and const?
Yeah, let const are introduced in JSX feature, where is basically a global scope, and in function it is function scope. It is variable is hoisted and redeclared also, and reassignment also allowed. For let and const also hoisted in, not uh, in current, but it will hoisted in the temporal dead zone. Temporal dead zone in the sense it is a time between declaration and the initialization time, so that's why we'll get a reference error if we
Hmm.
try to access the that variable before the declaration. We'll get error, reference error. So for hoisting this one, where will give as a undefined, because it is completely hoisted, and basically the variable declarations are hoisted and not the installations. Yeah, this is the difference between three of them. And let we
Okay.
can reassign the value, and reassign the value. Redeclare is not possible. Const is completely immutable, so we can't change and modify the value inside the const. It's better to use const. Yeah, better to use const for project
Okay.
purpose and all. Yeah,
Okay. Where is the global scope?
yeah, it is a where is a global scope in function. It is function scope.
Okay. So why is it a global scope? My question is.
Oh, why in the sense like
Mhm.
uh,
Any example? What is global scope means?
global scope in the sense we can access the values anywhere in the code, so that is called global scope. So for example, we have where a equal to 10, we can
Hmm.
access that in function, inside function, in outside the function as well. So
Okay.
that is called global scope. Yeah.
Okay. Got it. What is event loop?
Event loop, okay. Event loop is a specific feature in JavaScript. So it is used for performing asynchronous tasks like fetching APIs and all. uh, there are specific feature in event loop. uh, First, there is call stack. Call stack is it will follow the principle called last in first out. uh, Whichever we are writing the code in IDE, like the code we are writing in JavaScript, so it will first store in call stack. So we are defining for we are declare the function first, it will store in call stack. So then if there any set timeouts and all, and API calls and all, it will store in web APIs. So, and there is a task queue, so two task queues, micro task queue and macro task queue. So the priority is first macro, sorry, micro task queue. That means the promiser will execute first, then it will execute timers and all. That means macro task. So the first it will store the all web APIs in all time set timers and web APIs. It won't execute the until the call stack is empty. If the call stack is empty, then it will event loop will trigger the uh, uh, event. Then it will get the all value. It will push the micro task queue to and micro queue to and stock call stack. So then it will perform the operation.
Any example in your mind?
uh, Example in the sense like, for example, we have a function. We have function, and we have a timeouts and set timeout and uh, promises. So we have a resolve promise of promise, console log promise. If you want to, I will write the example.
Yes. 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 Please. That's
It will be
more
good.
help.
Yeah. This is the
Mm.
example. See, even though we call the function at the end of the timeout and web APIs and promises, but still it will execute the first, because
Yes. Mm.
yeah, because of the order. Cost if the function will go to call struct first,
Mm-hmm.
yeah, then it will check the set timeouts. Then it will directly go to web API.
Okay.
Then promise will directly go to this macro task, so micro task queue. So
Micro task.
it will be first priority. It is first priority. Then yeah, we are resolving the promise here. So
Mm-hmm.
first it will execute the function, then it will execute the promise, then it will execute the set timeouts at the end. Yeah, this is the example.
Yes, correct. Okay, I have some output bit based question. So
Yeah, sure.
just give me, I just paste it to you here. Okay. Okay, what's the output?
Oh, first answer will be A.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, first it will console log the A.
Mm-hmm.
Then it will execute D.
Mm-hmm.
Then we will get C here. So
Mm-hmm.
at the end, the settlement will execute because of that hierarchy. First, it will go to call stack, then it will execute A, then it will go to web APIs, then
Mm-hmm.
it will be there only until the
Mm-hmm.
time. Even though this 0 seconds, it will still wait in the web API. So first, it
Mm-hmm.
will resolve this promise. I mean, first it will execute this promise. So then
Mm-hmm.
it will move to web API. I mean, from micro to micro task.
Yes, the output is correct.
Yeah.
Okay. I have one more question to you.
Okay.
Okay. What's the correct option? I just paste.
Yeah. Sure.
What's the correct
Um.
option? Mm.
Okay. Okay. Just a second. Uh, Undefined. So we'll get because of hosting, so we'll get
Mm-hmm.
undefined. See, as I
Okay.
told, this is global scope. Where is the global scope?
Mm-hmm.
Latent const are a local scope. So that those also hosted, but in temporal data zone. This will give undefined directly. So this is hosted, but initialized as undefined only. If you
Yes.
access here means we will get answer as 5.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Okay, one more question I have pasted on chat. Can you check? I have just share one more question to you.
Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Am I audible? Fine. Any noise?
No, no, no. Now, fine. Now, fine.
Yes, yes. What's the
So,
output?
we'll get here uh, the three times.
Why?
Because where is global scope? So,
Mm-hmm.
uh, while executing this loop, I mean, while iterating this loop, so it will
Mm.
initialize as initially zero. So it will
Okay.
initially zero. Then
Mm-hmm.
this the set timeout will take that value. So
Mm-hmm.
the where is hence because of where I mean global scope,
Mm-hmm.
it
Mm-hmm.
it even though this will until this set timeout will store in web API,
Mm-hmm.
there is a time because of 1 second. So hence it will store in set time web API. So until this the loop will that time it will loop is 3. So hence the I take it as 3. So then it will execute 3 times because of this where due
Okay.
to global scope.
Okay. When we have let, then
We'll get 0 1 2 3. We'll get directly 0 1 2 3. We can check also. It will get directly 0 1 2 3. If
mm-hmm.
and we have another option without let also. So with the let we'll get so answer 0 1 2 0 1 2. Without let without where with the help of where also we can execute 0 1 2 with the help
Mm-hmm.
of closures.
Yes, correct.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. One more question to you.
Yeah.
Just check. Remove everything. Okay.
Mm, okay. Uh, two.
1
This
to 2
one.
is in string or number?
So it will be string only because
Hmm.
here concatenation, right? It will be convert this number into string. So we
Yes.
have using one plus, hence this is string.
Okay. Okay.
Um, Simply one. Yeah, it's also 112 due to string conversion. And okay. Oh, basically, this one I will explain. Like, see,
Hmm.
A will there is a ASCII code for every
Hmm.
character in code
Hmm.
language.
Yes.
For yeah, A is, I think, small capital A is 64. This one 64, I think, 64.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, 64. I think minus will be string 64 minus B is 65. This number I am not sure. I don't know this is exactly correct or not. Number
Hmm.
uh,
Okay.
4 minus 65 will get minus 1 plus 2 minus 12 in string.
Hmm.
This one I am not sure, but I think ASCII value according to it will connect while comparing. Sorry, while
Hmm.
performing arithmetic operations, so it will convert that
Hmm.
A into that one. I think A minus B. Okay, this one.
Hmm.
This one also same. I think this one
Hmm.
also. This one will be like plus two in this sense. Yeah, plus. Okay. Okay. See, according to Bodmer's rule, first will sub plus a plus will be performed, right? Okay.
Hmm.
Yeah. B plus two will be B2 in the sense. Oh,
Then B2 is a one thing. If we put A minus B2, then that is not in number and that is not in board mass. No, it's not a number, it's not a string.
okay. We'll
Then,
get NaN.
okay.
NaN, right? I think it's not a number. But then this is number.
But
Not a
two,
number converted into
but two is string.
uh, empty string, right?
Yes, two is the string in this case.
Two is string, but I mean, what
Mhm.
about this? I think I heard about this one.
Okay,
Oh,
no problem. You can run it. That is much
okay.
simple. NaN because of
Okay.
the last one is A minus B. You are
Oh,
saying correct. That is string to number is not a number, and the second last is two is a string.
okay.
That's why they pasted it with NaN. Pasted with NaN. NaN two is the string.
Okay.
That's the reason.
Okay. This will convert into NaN
Mhm.
initially, right?
Yes, not initially. It's a B initially converted to NaN, A minus
Okay.
B, and
Okay.
then 2 is the NaN plus string 2 is NaN2. And the second
Okay.
one is plus operator first. If we plus operator first and b true, if a minus b two, so it will consider as a NaN.
Okay. Okay. You mean
Hmm.
I'm wrong, not wrong, right? I mean, the
That
ASCII
time,
value and all.
yeah,
Wrong.
that is ASCII value is not required there.
Okay. Okay. I
Then
thought.
everything is good. And other question is yours is 12. You said 12 for the third one. Third one means it will not 12. Actually, 1 plus minus 1 is considered as a 0.
Okay. One plus minus one. Okay.
Mhm. Okay, no problem. I have
Okay.
one more question to you. What's the output is there?
Oh, oh, this is basically a closure. I think. Yeah, this is closure. This
Mhm.
is yeah.
That
This
is
is.
the concept of closure there is
Uh,
used.
I think this function is a closure itself because this is parent variable and this is the
Mhm.
inner function. Wait, answer will be 1. Okay, plus pre-increment in the sense here is 0,
Mhm.
1, yeah, 0. Then it will run this one.
Mhm. Why 0? My question is.
Oh, because this is pre-increment. So in it
Mhm.
uh, first it will after doing after performing this operation, then it will still won't go to the next, I mean next number, so it will be on the 0 itself because after calling the uh,
Are you
after
sure? Actually, if it is count plus one, then it will be 0. If plus plus count, I don't think it will be 0.
oh,
Think about it.
okay, 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 I understand.
Mhm.
uh 1 2 3 then.
Yeah, that's correct. Can you run it? Even I have some mistakes. Let me check. Yes,
Okay.
correct.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay, one more question to you. Just check it out. What's the output?
I will save this one
Mhm.
so that.
Mhm. No, everything I will share it to you after this interview over mail. No problem.
Okay, okay, then fine.
Mhm.
um, this is the question, right? Okay.
Yes, I want the output.
Oh, the initially it will get start, then promise this is 0, then it will
Mhm.
give end due to web APIs. uh, then it will go, then it will resolve the promise, will
Okay.
resolve, will get promise,
Mhm.
then at the end it will give timeout.
Yes, that concept is your correct is clear. I know. That's correct. Okay, next question. The last question of JavaScript is there.
Okay, 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 this is spread operator. Okay.
Spread operator.
This will be 6. Oh, this is the answer for that array. Then
Mhm.
this will be okay. This will be like um, we'll get like this. I think hello. Oh, in array format, we'll get like this.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay.
Okay, theoretical part is, can I ask logical question also in JavaScript, if you are okay?
Yeah, fine.
Okay,
Nothing.
okay, let me start the logical question. Okay, we have, you need to remove the duplicate value from any array. How do you do
Okay.
it?
Duplicate values. Yeah, I can. I will write the code. Is fine.
Yes, I need code. How
Okay.
to remove the duplicate value. If you have any array like 11223344.
Okay. Wait. Just.
Mhm.
Oh, this is
Yes,
fine. Yeah.
that
I
is
will
fine.
write.
How can you do it without for loop?
Without for loop, a filter. We can use filter also.
Okay.
With the yeah, we can use filter. With the help of filter, we'll check the index. Yeah, with the help of filter, I think. Yeah, that is another method, and with the help of for
Mhm.
loop. And
Okay.
another method is, yeah, that's it. I know. I think
You
two
know
methods.
set method,
Sorry.
set method. You know set method, set set.
Okay, okay. That is predefined, right? I mean, we don't need to
Mhm.
write code directly. We'll give
Hmm.
answer. Yeah,
Yeah, that is.
you need.
I just want to ask you know
Okay,
about it or not, but you can continue with for loop, no problem.
okay. Yeah, new set. This is the answer.
Yeah,
We can.
that is
Uh,
much simple.
yeah, simple. Most of the interviews they won't ask this one, right? That's why I thought, okay,
Actually, the fresher level or 1 year plus experience level, generally they are using this method.
okay,
That's
okay,
why I'm thinking.
okay, okay, no problem.
Okay. Mhm. Your house is near to airport, I think.
Yes, Bangalore HAL airport.
Okay, you are near to Bangalore HL airport.
Uh, it's nearby only. That's why.
Yeah, that's the reason.
Yeah.
Yes, correct. One more question I have to you. Uh, if you have any array, nested array, like for
Okay.
example, 1, 2, then nested 1, 2,
Okay.
then
Okay.
nested 1, 2. I want
Okay.
to flatten that array. So how do you do?
Yeah. Sure. First, I will create a sample nested array so that I can.
Okay, three time nested.
Oh, this is fine.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. I want to
Uh,
flatten that array.
okay. There is two ways to flat the array. One method
Don't
is
don't use flat method.
yeah, one is flat method. We can use a predefined. I
Mhm,
mean, we will write
mhm,
direct polyfill for flat directly.
mhm,
So with the flat method, we'll direct flat method. Will you just will flat the array uh,
mhm,
normal one we have, it will contain like numbers like for
mhm,
example there is multiple flat inside multiple arrays, so nested
mhm.
arrays will give numbers in flat, but we can create a polyfill for direct. uh, flattening the array. So I will give flat.
Mhm.
I will write.
But 1+ year experience person, they will have a flat array knowledge, that is also okay. And set method is also okay. But no problem.
Okay, if you want, I will write that flat also. That is simple, right?
That
Not
is more simple. You can continue whatever you are doing right now.
okay. Okay.
Mhm.
Can I write this?
Yes,
I mean,
yes, that is function itself.
is that okay? Oh, okay. We'll use recursion here, like,
Mhm.
because this is array, so if it comes with this element, if this is array, so will again run the code from this element in the new array. So that's why
Yes.
I use recursion. Then
Mhm.
so if that is array, so that we will use recursion. Then if not array, we will directly push the elements into new flatten array result.
Okay.
Oh,
Yes.
flatten here dot. Sorry, we don't need to return here because that is global. So then we'll directly console log. So can I run the code?
Yes, yes, you can.
I think it will. Okay, there is bug. Okay. It's okay.
I less than.
Oh yes. Yeah. Yeah. Fine. Yeah.
One, two,
This is the
three,
answer.
6, 7, 1. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, let me move to the React part. Do you have
Okay.
any knowledge of Next.js also, or it's React itself?
Oh no, I don't have knowledge on Next.js. Currently, I'm planning to learn because
Mm-hmm.
nowadays they are expecting Next.js. So because of
Mm-hmm.
that server side rendering and static side generation, I think, yeah, I'm
Yeah,
planning to learn.
no problem. You can. In next, I think 2, 3 after 2 months, I will also start Next.js series in my YouTube channel itself. If you are
Okay, then
checking.
then start. That is fine, right? Even I am planning to learn so that I will learn. So you
Okay,
can
but
start.
in my channel, I have doing in Hindi language. Are you able
I
to
can
understand?
understand. I
Okay,
will understand
that's
Hindi, but I can't speak. But I will understand Hindi.
yeah, no problem. I have already created React, Python,
I saw.
Django.
Yeah, I
Uh,
saw Python, and even I'm planning to like
mhm,
learn backend as well. But
Mm-hmm.
Currently, no, there is no time. I'm planning to. I mean, I'm
Mm-hmm.
currently preparing for interviews.
Mm-hmm.
So, hence,
Firstly, the React 20 is coming in November, you know. React 20 version is coming on next November. So I will
okay,
start the next React 20. React
okay,
20, in between React 20, I will start Next.js itself in the same series. That much be more valuable for others. Actually, the
okay.
next that React 20 version is most comfortable version. Even multiple changes are there in React 20. That's why
Yeah, yeah.
I'm taking as a React 20 as a
Okay.
series to combine with Next.js, combine with Next.js.
And another thing, from my end,
Mhm.
there is
Mhm.
suggestion. If you want, I will tell at the end. Because see,
Mhm.
you can combine the all interview questions and then make the video. That will be helpful to many people. Like,
That is already I did. I have created
won't.
three video, no, three itself, my itself video. I have already discussed itself, my itself only. I have prepared 150 questions video in React
I
itself.
mean,
Already.
JavaScript.
Okay, you are asking
Output.
JavaScript,
Uh,
output-based
output
question.
based question. That's what I
Okay,
mean.
that is also I have planning to start a DSA series. You know, DSA,
DSA. Okay,
a
okay,
DSA algorithm series. So that
okay.
will they will cover everything for JavaScript. That is DSA series is just like a Amazon and Google level questions I am
Ah,
preparing
that's
over
what.
there.
Okay, that's
That
what.
is
Like
more the
for D
like LinkedIn trees structure,
arrays,
algorithm
stack,
structures,
graph. Yeah,
stacks, graphs,
graph.
everything I will cover over there. So that
Okay,
is more advanced level series I am planning. That is undergoing, but
okay,
I don't have much time, so that's why things are doing this. But no problem. I have long-term goal. Within this year, within 1 year, I have created multiple series. I know 100 plus language and everything.
okay. That's great.
Actually, I'm a corporate trainer also. That's because of trainer something.
Okay, I
Boot
mean,
camp, you know, boot camp student
okay,
when we
okay, fine.
hire from college. So I
Okay,
have given the training. Even some new languages coming in India, for example, then only my responsibility to train everyone for that language. So
okay,
that's the reason I have 100 plus language knowledge.
okay.
Okay,
Yeah, that's great.
no issue. Then
Nowadays, that great. Like,
actually, that is the requirement basis. Actually, in my job, I have a technical lead as of now in SCL, but they
okay,
move me to as a corporate trainer. They move me intensely because
okay,
I know multiple things. So they are saying, don't do code,
okay,
train our students.
okay,
Even I am also doing like freelancing for Infosys, TCS, Google,
okay. For
Amazon
training, training.
for training itself.
Okay, okay.
In
Internal
North
training,
India,
right?
internal training in
Okay, okay,
corporate in North India itself,
okay,
not in South one,
okay, okay.
but that's okay. Okay, let me move to the React.js part.
Okay, that's fine.
Uh, what's the difference between class and functional component? Have you worked class component?
No,
Firstly,
no,
that is
no.
things.
I didn't even written this syntax as well. So, but
Mhm,
so I have a difference for interview purpose. Like, I
mhm,
mostly use it in functional component. I started as functional components, so
mhm,
I trained in functional component itself directly
mhm.
because 1.5 year back only. So I joined. Like, as a
Yes,
fresher, I joined.
as a fresher, you learn
Yeah,
functional component itself.
directly. Yeah.
Okay, yeah. Okay, what's the difference then?
Difference is like functional components. We have a hooks in class components. We have like component did mount and lifecycle methods. Compared to
Mhm.
the class components, the functional components is more readable compared to class
Okay.
because of the complexity of code. So there is a less code in functional components due to hooks. In
Mhm.
that function class components, there are we should write multi
So,
lines code.
so,
And
so,
another
so,
thing, like,
mhm.
yeah,
So you are saying the lifecycle method is not used in functional component. What is
instead
it?
of that life cycle methods,
Mhm.
life cycle methods in the sense like that mounting unmounting the same.
That is not in use in functional component. Are you sure?
Yeah, that is we'll use that is updating mounting in the sense like,
That word you are saying is that word is not used. The concept is using in functional component. How do you did component did mount in functional component then?
in with the help of updating state.
No. Within use effect, you have all three lifecycle method you can use within use effect. Are you know?
Oh,
Okay.
actually,
There is three lifecycle method is there in class component. What is
uh,
it?
mounting, unmounting.
Hmm.
Another thing is like
Component did mount, component did update, component
did
unmount.
unmount. Yeah,
Okay. All
yeah,
three are using in functional component. Are you know?
yeah. We are using with the help of hooks. Actually, I didn't have knowledge on component did mount and all class components. Hence, I
Okay.
started with
Within use effect, if we give dependency array blank, what is
okay.
it?
Blank dependency array.
If
So it will
we
run only once. I mean, it will render only once. So if
okay.
empty array, it will run every time with the dependency with the help of dependency array. So it will
Mhm.
run only render whenever
Mhm.
the state or props has been changed. I mean that
Okay,
particular
if we give any dependency array state, if we give state as a dependency array, what is
okay.
it then?
State in the sense like a state. Why updating the state, right?
While updating state, then only the use effect
I
is
will
run.
run, will
That
console log
is
elements or
okay. That is the called is component did update. That is the component did update. Okay, whenever you use
okay,
return
okay,
in the first dependency, first argument
okay.
within return, whatever you do, what is it?
I didn't get it. Like
Have you used return inside use effect?
yeah,
Uh,
return a clean for cleanup functions we will use, right?
yeah,
Clean.
that is component did unmount. That is
Okay,
component
cleanup function.
unmount.
Okay,
All three lifecycle method in use effect itself. You just check
okay,
after this interview. You just check in internet. How do you relate lifecycle method in functional component? Then you will get more knowledge. Everything is used in functional component. Nothing is eliminate. Nothing is terminate. Everything is used in functional component. But functional component gives our work easy. That is the way
okay.
we are using functional component itself.
And another thing, readability also, right? I
Yes,
mean, readability
readability
is
is much
yes, and
good. Yeah.
updating state also there is no hooks. It will be. I saw
Hmm.
the code while updating. Counter code, basic code. That
Hmm.
is, I mean, much complex class component. You can't
Hmm.
understand while seeing without knowing React. We can't
Yes,
understand.
yes,
But
yes,
functional, we can directly understand.
yes.
That is readable,
The readable and maintainable also.
maintainable also. Yes.
Okay, okay, okay. The second, okay. The next question is, what's the difference between uncontrol and control component?
Okay, control components in React is basically control with the will control the with the help of onChange method. Like for
Hmm.
example, forms. Will control. Will first we'll
Hmm.
declare the state. Then we'll
Hmm.
control the with the help of onChange method. That is called control component.
Hmm.
Uncontrolled components is basically will
Hmm.
access the with the help of useref hook
Hmm.
DOM and all DOM elements
Hmm.
and all will directly access the will prevent from unconditional rendering and all with the help of useref. That is called uncontrolled components. We can't control with
Okay.
the help of state. Directly we'll control with the help of useref with current dot target and all. So yeah, that is
DOM,
basically
DOM manipulation. What is it?
yeah. DOM manipulation is like updating the I mean rendering the all
Hmm.
elements into DOM. So
Hmm.
there
What
is
is
two
it?
DOM.
That is uncontrol or control? If we manipulate the DOM.
Manipulate DOM is controlled only. Like we'll update the state, so it will update in DOM also, right?
Hmm.
Yeah,
Are you sure? DOM manipulation is happen in useref or with the help of state?
useref. Sorry, with the help of useref. Okay, useref is used for to manipulate the DOM only, DOM itself.
Mm.
Yeah. Okay, I
Yes,
can't. Yes.
that's called
Okay.
uncontrolled
Okay.
component.
Okay. Got it. Okay.
Uh, okay, have you used Redux?
Redis I used it.
What's explain the Redux architecture then?
Uh, Actually, I didn't even revision, but okay. As much I know, I will. I will.
No, no, no problem if you
Okay.
don't know
Uh,
the confidence things. Uh, so have you used Redux toolkit also?
no, no, I didn't use it. Redis tool. Just I
Red,
use it.
actually,
Redis. Actually,
Redux Redux toolkit is more advanced than Redux. Redux having most complex, and
code. Yeah, exactly.
Redux toolkit is most simplest version of Redux. Even
Is.
Even React is also recommended to use Redux toolkit itself,
toolkit. Yeah.
not in Redux. Okay, what about context API? What is it?
Yeah, context API, it is basically to maintain the complex state management.
Mm-hmm,
For use state, we will use for local component. We will maintain the data local component itself.
mm-hmm,
We want to send the parent data to child and subchild, so that will
mm-hmm,
be messy. Like it will be create prop drilling. It is called prop drilling. To
mm-hmm,
avoid prop drilling, we'll use context API. So that means we'll create the state in one file. We'll
mm-hmm,
use the code and data wherever we want in child components on top. So that will be easy to use the wherever we want the code. I mean data. So then no need to send pass the data from parent to child. We'll directly
mm-hmm,
take the data from parent. Then I mean I will send it through the provider. Then we'll
mm-hmm.
get the data through the use context tool from
Okay,
yeah.
so it is a state management tool or
It's
not?
not statement like it is for state management only. It is not tool. I mean Redux is separate tool, or it is a
Mm-hmm.
library. Sorry, Redux is library. It is
Yes,
separate. Yeah, context API includes the React feature. It is a React feature. That's it. Like
yes,
hooks,
correct.
that is also one feature. It's not library and tool. It's included.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it is React feature, correct.
Yeah,
Okay, the my last question is what is lazy loading and code splitting in React?
lazy loading and code splitting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, code splitting is basically uh, breaking the code into smaller chunks. Then we'll
Mm-hmm.
utilize the code wherever we want. That is called code splitting. With the help
Mm-hmm.
of code splitting, we'll optimize the performance. So that will
Mm-hmm.
be helpful in performance optimization. And lazy loading is basically will lazy the component until the this say for example we have a API fetching the API component in some
Mm-hmm.
custom hook. There is custom hook that is fetching the code from another component. So while importing that code in some parent component, so that we'll use the lazy method, so that until the code, so we'll show the user with the some code like loading and all with the help of suspend. So that then we'll after getting the data from the API, then we'll import that code. Then we'll show the exact UI. For example, products. We'll show products and all.
Mm-hmm.
Until then, we'll show the loading or processing or something. Yeah, that is called lazy loading and code splitting difference. Both are for useful for performance optimization only. So while fetching complete data, instead of fetching
Mm-hmm.
the data, so we'll at least will take some time to show the user
Mm-hmm.
to some so processing or waiting and something. So then we'll show the UI. So that will be
Yes.
easy to see and performance optimization also. Yeah.
Then how do you handle error boundaries?
Error boundaries I think I read about in class components. I think we don't have in this functional components error
Mm-hmm.
boundaries. Uh,
Yes.
Errors will handle
So
with
how
the
do you
help
handle in your current project the
with the
errors
help of
things?
async await we'll use try catch method
Try
most
catch method mostly.
currently mostly we'll use that only. I read
Mm-hmm.
about in error boundaries that is used in
Mm-hmm.
class components. I think we can't use the error boundaries in these functional components, I think. Yeah.
We have lot of third-party libraries are available in functional component. We can just insert it npm install error boundaries like this.
Okay. Okay.
So you can easily use that word in term of error boundaries. That is more easy in functional component.
Okay. I
It's a
mean, try.
lot of third-party libraries are there. Not an
Okay.
inbuilt feature in functional component, but you
Okay.
can use third-party library.
Okay.
Okay, no problem. That is more advanced. I just
Try
asked.
catch. Okay.
No, try catch is fine. Everyone
Uh,
knows the try catch.
Try
If
catch.
you
It
are
is easy way to handle errors, multiple
uh,
errors.
multiple errors, that is
Yes.
okay. Okay, that's fine. Everything is good according to me.
Okay.
You are doing good. The knowledge is good. Just brush up some advanced things. Just learn
Okay.
something backend things. Just learn advanced React, Redux toolkit.